Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. I'm your host P5, aka P is for Purple Patch, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kid That. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around camera, come back in shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing this for the internet. Alright guys, let's do it. Oh, I'm back. Alright guys, enough of that. Let me give you the 12 RJ. The RJ to the 12. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up so you can see what we're working with today. And I'm gonna step back and let's get into it. Guys, today we have this CP Company flat nylon bomber jacket. Super dope piece. Super nice. It's a bit warm for it now because the sun's come out, but hey, let me just show you what's what, and yeah, we're gonna get into it like we're getting into it. Alright, here's my waist right there. Of course, jacket comes just down below the waist, almost that perfect length for a little bomber jacket. Really dope. Of course, it's in this perpetual, I don't know why I said perpetual, but it's in this perpetual sand colorway right there. Super, you know, your dark sand, and then you get a little bit darker of the sand once the water hits it, and then you get that browner sand. So this is the sand before the water hits it, this is the sand when the water hits it. You get me? Alright, cool. Of course, you see the CP Company lens right there. Super nice. And that is on a zipped little pocket, arm pocket pouch right there. Put your hand in, you won't put nothing there. Maybe your Jack and Jills, you know, your secret stash of who knows what, your secret stash of the old and yeah, boom. Anyway, we do not promote drug use, but if you do take drug, please be sensible. Anywho's, boom, CP Company right there. You got that nice zipped zip pull right there. Super dope. Let me step back and zip up. And of course, with the CP Company, you know, you always have those really nice zip pulls with the CP Company spell out on the old taffeta right there. Always a nice length as well, so you don't have to, you know, hold it there. You've got a nice bit of pullage range right there. So really nice. Of course, left hand side, right hand side, you have these two envelope pockets which are fastened by these two poppers right there. Pop one open, pop the other open. Of course, you've got your CP Company encoutrements, spare buttons, and it's perfect for putting your hand in your skyrocket, walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Perfect for that, but you wouldn't put anything else. At a push, you might want to keep one of the kids in there, but not really. They might fall out. So if you do put one, just make sure you button it, and they will be safe, at least for a short journey. So yeah, really nice, you know what I mean? Walking down the street, it's like that sort of autumn day, you know, it's not too warm, it's not too cold. Perfect little jacket, wear it zipped up, wear it zipped down, however you're feeling on that said day. Let me zip down so we can see. Now of course you see the little inside design right there. This is it's kind of warm, man. It's like a nice, it's not primer lofty, but it's really nice. I mean, it's, like I said, this is flat nylon, which is a new, I don't know if it's a new, but it's one of their materials. I'm trying to get every single material that they have, at least one garment. And you see it says garment dyeing right there. So this is a garment dye material. Really nice. Of course, you got your CP Company sailor right there. Let me take this off. Of course, your classic bomber jacket, you know, differentiation at the top. You got that wet sand right there, colorway up there, and then the rest of the body is that dry sand, you know, really nice. Of course, you got that wet sand taperage at the bottom, you know what I mean, going all the way round. Really nice, stops right there. Super dope, man. It's just a simple jacket, but really nice. Again, I picked this up at the outlet, so shout out my gang at the outlet. Mad love to you lot. It's always a pleasure, it's always love. Yeah, I don't know when I got this. It could have been a month ago, it could have been 2 months ago. I think it was more like 2 months, could have been 3, who knows. But yeah, I've had this, I haven't worn it yet. As you can see, I got all the literature still on it, you know what I'm saying. At some point when it gets a bit colder, I'll wear it. But guys, this has been a CP Company flat nylon bomber jacket. I've been your host P5, aka P is for CP Company, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Did I say that already? If I didn't, I have now. And yeah, this has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zian. I'm your guy P Fryer, as you know. So guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'm catch you on the flip side, and yeah, this has been fun. It's good to be back, man. So I'm gonna see you again real soon, and we're gonna do this all over again. Mad love to you lot. Peace.